Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Do you need to breathe some new life into your space? Then you are gonna love this wall hanging from Artexist. It is absolutely beautiful and I really love it. So this is a 24 by 48 inch wall hanging. It is a stretched canvas print and it is on a beautiful wooden frame. The canvas and the frame are both really high quality and you can really see that it's well designed. I love how this piece of art has really beautiful complementary colors, but there are a lot of colors in the painting. So depending on where you place this, the colors in the painting will really pop differently depending on the color of your walls or the other decorations in the vicinity. So it's a really versatile and fun piece. I absolutely love that it has that little highlight of pink, which is soft and subtle and really pretty, but it's balanced out by the blue and the green and the other colors as well. I love this painting hung over my bed, but I have tried it in several other places and it looks equally as amazing. So it's really hard to decide where to put it. It's meant to be hung horizontally, but I did find that hanging it vertically was great too, and it made the perfect backdrop for live streams and video calls. This painting offers a little bit of texture, it adds some dimension, and that wooden frame is so gorgeous and adds that natural beauty and really feels luxurious. You're gonna feel like your home is actually a gallery with this beautiful painting from Artexist. So if you're looking for a fun and colorful way to add a little pop to your space, do not hesitate to check out this painting. I absolutely love it, and that's my point of view.